Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back, or welcome to the channel. I'm gonna do a little quick video about MPT Performance tunes with the 3.5 Ecoboost. About 3 years ago, I bought my truck. Soon thereafter, I bought the tuner, which comes with the, I'll show y'all, the little SCT X4. So this little guy, little handheld tuner. I keep it plugged in all the time, normally reading the gauges just to check for anything's not reading correctly. So I think I paid a little over $400. I know recently they raised their prices, but they also, I think I bought it on sale during Black Friday. Pretty much it's a tuner with 3 of their tunes. I got the 93 octane tune, I got the 87 performance tow, and I got only the trans tune. I don't ever use the trans tune. It's just because it's either you buy 1 or you buy 3. I wish they gave a 2 option, but it is what it is. I currently daily drive the 93, and I don't ever plan on really going back to 87 unless gas prices go back up to $5 again. So I did during that time period. I was on the 87 performance tow, which is just a dialed down version of the 93 PRX, but you can't use the 93 PRX if you're towing. So if you do plan on towing, that is a good tune to have. Is just, you can get if you want the 93 one, get the 93 one. I just got the 87 one because that's like that was my daily driver one when I first got the truck. But now I got a personal work truck for work, so I don't use this as much. So it's more just fun driving or after hours, just cruising around or going places. So I daily drive the 93, no problems with it. I love it. It adds, like they say, it adds like 100 horsepower, 100 pound-feet of torque. Honestly, I believe them. It really wakes the truck up. It adds, your throttle response is so much quicker. It adds a cool little, I mean, this is just me, but like when you press the gas, let's see if y'all can hear that. So part of that's my VTA mod, but your normal truck, I'm pretty sure there's like a rev limiter at like 3,000, so it gets rid of that. It gets rid of the speed limiter. I've got 35s on here, so it fixes that issue with the whole speedometer reading off. Totally recommend. They do revisions your first 90 days. You need to do that, because that really, they send you you put in your basic information for your truck, and then they send you a base email tune that you upload to the tuner and upload to your truck. And then you need to use a computer, and there's, I don't remember the software. I can link it down below, but pretty much you data log using your computer. That reads all your truck information with their tune. They look at that, they make the revision, they send you an updated version of the tune, and you upload that. That's just the normal tuning process. Everybody does it that way. You need to take advantage of that, because I initially did not. I just rocked with the stock tune, and I went to go, hey, can I do this? And they're like, well, hey, you're out of your sort of 90-day period. So I paid like, what was it, 30 or 40 bucks. And then I got the 87 tune fixed up, and I got my 93 tune fixed up. There's nothing to do with the trans tune, really, unless you have weird shifting issues, because that's just a transmission, nothing with your engine. So, like I said, it's quick. If you're on the fence about getting it, I totally recommend it. It is it's not the cheapest thing to get, but it is totally worth it if you're a car guy and you enjoy it and you want a little more power to your truck, 100%. So, like I said, I would just, if you don't have anything, just buy their combo. It's so much easier. I think they even have an option to where they'll upload the tunes to this directly for you, and you just plug it in instead of having to upload it to the tuner and upload it to your truck. But fixed my speedometer, adds a ton of power. I've got 35s, it's higher skirt. It's pretty nuts. So hope this video helped. It's just a little quick video. If you get any other questions, you can drop down below, but I have not seen a lot of videos about tuning the trucks, because I guess not a lot of people do it. I sort of like, you're like, hey, why? I've got a 4-inch lift on 35s. Why would I waste my money on a 93 tune? But I mean, this thing moves on 35s. So I'm sure if you had stock tires or you lowered it and you got a race setup, it's a good route to go. So definitely recommend MPT. They've been great to me. I've been with them for 6 years. I had the, don't roast me, I had a 3.7 Mustang before this one. But that one did great too. So, and that's why I went with them again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helped.